Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sakwasendoda lesogogo bathini bathi mawufuna kuvala emzini amadoda. Have you ever been in love and not having access to that love anymore? Have you ever loved somebody to such a way that you wish you can organize a baby shower for their mother for just giving you this precious individual? Have you ever felt in love that you sometimes lose yourself in the equation? Have you ever prayed for somebody more than you pray for yourself in the name of love? Ube semathandweni uzizwe na ukuthi you know what, angeke ngiphile ngaphandle kwakho. You know, uzizwe ukuthi you know what, my life is not complete. If you're not there, you must know ukuthi I cannot function if that person is not part of your life. Have you ever missed memories, smell of a person, the perfume, the cologne that they're using, music that you used to listen with them, places that you used to go with them, food that you used to share with them, drinks that you used to sip with them? You miss them. You miss their character. You miss seeing them sleeping. You miss those moments whereby you sometimes switch on the light and look at that person and say, I love this individual. Ngiyamthanda lo. Ngiyamthanda. Have you ever loved somebody and you also love the fact that you love them? You know what? You become speechless. You ask yourself, how did I arrive here? Where was this person all along? You've been pained. Your heart has been dragged to bottles, broken bottles. You have had a lot in your life. Sometimes you couldn't even imagine yourself waking up the following day because of this person was nothing but terrible individual. But now you've met this individual, this person. Mamela, sithandwa, into yakho, ubambo lwakho, uzizwe nawe ukuthi hey, ngisemathandweni la, ngiyakuthanda lokho. There is a key to get that person. Whether you've met them, you have never met them, whether you are divorcing, whether you went through a divorce, whatever that might have happened or what is happening, watch out for the video whereby I'll be talking about what is the key to have that person. After you have tried everything, Muti, Bible, everything, you've went everywhere to try to get help. Nothing. Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. There is a key.